How to fix hacked account on Facebook. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to fix hacked account on Facebook. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook and now go to your setting by click on those three lines up there and click on the setting icon beside the search icon. And here click on the second option, which is password and security. Scroll down and click on the last option, which is if you think your account was hacked. And this is it. You choose I found a post, message, or someone else got into my account. Choose whatever of those and click on continue. So this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.